What if the alarm clock isn't what's waking you up, but quiet anxiety? 6:47 a.m., 7 minutes before the alarm. Your body already knows the routine. Same company, same commute, same paycheck, year after year after year. You call it stability, but why does it feel like pressure? Today, I'm going to show you why earning more money hasn't made you wealthier and why that's not an accident. This is the salary trap. Let's start with a simple question. If you quit your job tomorrow, how long would you survive? 1 month? 2? Be honest. If the answer scares you, you're not alone. Most professionals are one paycheck away from stress. That's not security, that's dependency dressed as comfort. Meet Sarah. She makes $85,000 a year. Top 20% income bracket. On paper, she should feel successful. Every 2 weeks, she gets paid. After taxes, $2,458. Now watch what happens. Rent, $1,200. Car, insurance, gas, $550. Food, $400. Bills and subscriptions, $260. Before she even feels her paycheck, it's gone. She has $48 left. But here's the genius of the system. She doesn't feel poor. She has a car, she has an apartment, she has streaming services, she has a lifestyle. But she doesn't have wealth. Now it gets darker. The system doesn't just pay you, it trains you. You get a raise. You upgrade your apartment. Another raise. You upgrade your car. You hit 6 figures. Now you deserve vacations, better furniture, better everything. Each raise feels like progress, but each upgrade locks you tighter. This is lifestyle inflation, and it's the second weapon of the trap. Let me explain golden handcuffs. The moment your lifestyle requires your salary, you can't leave. You can't risk. You can't experiment. You can't breathe. Your mortgage owns your decisions. The bank loves this. Your landlord loves this. Because you are predictable income. Here's the brutal truth. Income does not equal freedom. The gap between what you earn and what you keep, that's freedom. A CEO making $500,000 but spending $480,000 is more trapped than someone earning $60,000 and keeping $20,000. The salary doesn't decide your power. The margin does. So how do you break it? First, stop confusing income with wealth. Income is temporary. Assets are permanent. Second, protect the gap. Keep expenses intentionally lower than income. This feels boring. It feels unsexy, but freedom is built quietly. Third, build optionality. 3 to 6 months of expenses saved changes your psychology completely. You negotiate differently. You think differently. You walk differently. Because you're no longer desperate. The salary trap is sophisticated, but it's not permanent. The people who escape aren't geniuses. They just realized comfort isn't freedom. And once you see the trap, you can't unsee it. So ask yourself tonight, are you building wealth or just maintaining a lifestyle? If this opened your eyes, subscribe. We don't just talk about making money here. We talk about escaping the systems that keep you dependent on it.